All right, what is going on today, family? So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys a little chart. Start off by showing you guys this chart just to give you a possible play in the ecosystem. On this channel, we cover wax related content. We are a guild on the Wax blockchain. And for those of you guys who don't know, Wax is a special purpose built NFT blockchain that facilitates high throughput for NFT transaction. So as you can see, this is a chart of blockchains by NFT sale volume over the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, Wax is sitting at number 3, right below Ethereum in sales, buyers, and even in transactions, it's actually higher than Ethereum. So this is an interesting NFT play for those of you guys who are interested in NFTs and don't know, you just want to sort of buy a token to get involved in the market. I highly recommend you check out the Wax ecosystem. Wax has been doing this for several years before it was cool, and they have a lot of neat and unique tools to show for it. So let me show you a couple. And so the first tool that I want to show you guys is something called waxmarketcap.com. It's a very unique niche tool on the Wax blockchain. It's sort of like coinmarketcap.com, which, if you're familiar, it's just a website you can go to see all the cryptocurrencies and what's going on basically in the market. This is more niche. This is for Wax only. But as you can see, it's got all the relevant information that you need. Popular collections such as Farmer's World, Cosmos 11, Farming Tales, all the good stuff you're going to find in the last 24 hours that has the most transactions, the most sales, the most popular. So this is a good way to track NFTs, growth, and overall traffic into the market, other than obviously price, which is going to drive more and more people into the ecosystem. So another useful tool, always on any blockchain, you're going to need a DEX, an exchange, somewhere to exchange tokens. So this is Alcor all-in-one DEX. It is a cross-chain DEX, so it exists on multiple chains. And as you can see, it's an AMM swap, spot trading, earned by like LPing and providing liquidity, and NFT as well on multiple protocols. So if you want to use the all-in-one Alcor exchange, what you want to do first is pick your target blockchain. For this example, I'm going to show you Wax. Load up the Wax mainnet just by clicking on it, and then connect your wallet. Hopefully, if you've been following this channel a long time, you already have a Wax Cloud wallet, but if not, check out a video I made on it. Super easy to set up. And from there, this opens up a lot of opportunities, and you can do whatever you want from here. You can check out the markets. You can see the swaps. You can provide liquidity to things like TLM, which I believe is Alien Worlds. So it gives you a lot of options. And honestly, guys, although Wax is known for being a special purpose NFT built blockchain, I could really see with a lot of the projects that are going on that Wax becomes a place for not only NFTs, but also the intersection of NFTs and DeFi because of the high throughput nature of the Wax chain and the amount of users that exist. It could really, become a powerhouse blockchain, if I'm being honest. So definitely make sure you check out these two tools. Let me know what you guys think in the description box below. Do you find Wax easy to use? Are you excited for the future of Wax? Do you think the price will continue to keep climbing higher? Definitely let me know in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.